today we're doing something a lot different. We don't usually do public events, as you know, but today we've met up with Sam, also known as DNA100.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure most of our subscribers may already have come across his channel, but if you haven't, go over there, check him out. I'll put the link in the description below.
Yeah,
and yeah, we're going to go now and check out the sound mirrors, which are over here.
There you are, saw this.
But yeah, this one, the sound wall, is 200 foot long, about what, 35 foot high? But we'll move on to the parabolic dishes as well. Just very quickly as to what these are. These were an early form of aircraft detection using parabolic dishes. They were good for identifying slow-moving aircraft. They were built in the late 20s, early 30s, but soon became useless after radar was invented a couple of years later, and aircraft were getting faster, which made them useless. Gonna be naughty now. Go on, jump in. They're not paying attention, so let's have a little look. I'm not sure we're supposed to come into this bit. Oh, there you go. So this is where the operator would have controlled the microphone that's inside the parabolic dish. Badger's just noticed some woman going around taking pictures, sticking things on the walls and taking pictures.
It's vandalism.
I'm not backing for it. You can't vandalise it. Come on, let's get rid of it. So, Sam's going to try and climb up.
It seems dirty. It's not moving.
The guy giving the talk round the front is going to... all the attention of the crowd is just going to be on his head poking through the hole. Well, there you go. Have you just disrupted the talk, have you? Yeah. Oh, we're already a bad influence. Yeah, I'm gonna get down now, everyone's staring at me. Right, so thank you very much for watching. As I say, check out Sam's channel if you've not seen him already. Please subscribe, show him a bit of support. And yeah, it was great finally meeting up. We've been talking for quite a while. So
8 months I think it is.
8 months, yeah. So yeah, as I say, it's great to finally meet up. Check him out and hit the like button. Please subscribe and see you next week.
Yeah.
Cheers.
See you soon.